Hello everyone, this is the last video of our beginners course. Here we have already geometry optimized and energy optimized our structure. Now we are going to calculate some of properties of our structure. Go to task properties, and then there is no need to change any other settings. Just go to properties and select the properties you want to calculate. If you like here band structure and density states, if you want to do deep analysis, you can check calculate PDOS as well. So here you can change your job description like properties, band structure, DOS, and then click run. I have speed up the process, so it should be completed in a few seconds. Here the job is completed. Click OK. Go to CASTEP menu, click analysis, and go to band structure, and here select the file CASTEP, open it up, and then click view. This is the band structure of our structure, and similarly you can zoom it and analyze it here if you want. Then click to do your CASTEP file, open it up, and then here click density of states and view. Now you can visualize your density of state graph as well. So the important parameter here is the DOS value at the Fermi level, that is zero energy, and here it's almost 4.3. This is very important property. So you can calculate any values here you want. Thank you.